Behind me is an ornamental crabapple that I'm going to prune today. It's a fairly young tree. It's about 8 years old. And when we're pruning ornamentals, we have a different plan than we do with fruit trees. With fruit trees, we're trying to develop the framework when they're first getting started. We're trying to encourage the growth of productive wood. But with an ornamental tree, we basically want to remove wood that's in a bad place because we want the tree to be an asset to the landscape instead of an eyesore. So our goal here is just to remove whatever wood is necessary to keep the tree looking good. And of course that includes any kind of diseased wood or damaged or broken wood. But I expect that this tree won't take more than about 15 to 20 minutes of pruning. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to remove is wood that's growing straight up, which is what we also do in fruit trees. We also want to remove branches that are crossing, like what we see here, and here, and here. And we'll also remove any broken branches like this one right here. This branch coming off of the trunk is going right into this one here. Not a good thing, so we're going to take it out. There's another crossing branch coming from here to here. So I have to decide, do I want to take this one out or do I want to take this one out? I prefer to take the higher one out. Now right here, we have a major branch coming off. We also have a major branch coming off here, and these are really close together. I would really like to take one of them out, but I'm taking out some major portions of the tree, and I'm not sure that I really want to do that. So I'm going to delay that decision, but I am going to take this one out here because it is very close to this one to the right. This is the same area I was talking about a minute ago from a different angle. We have this major branch here and we have a major branch below it, and this one's parallel and getting in the way. It's also growing out in this direction, which is shading another one. So I'm going to take it out here, and I'm also going to take out this one here to give this lower branch a little bit more space. See if I can get in here and get a good angle on this cut. This branch here is growing back toward the middle of the tree. I don't want that, so this is going to be removed and any branches like it. And I think about the only thing left to do is take out any additional dead wood. So this is what the tree looks like after pruning. As you can see down here on the ground, in the background here, this is all the material that I pruned out. Now if I were to prune this tree on another day, I would probably take out some different things, and depending on how I feel, maybe I might be a little aggressive, but it's not a fruit tree, as I mentioned before. There's no need to be that aggressive. So I wanted to show you something else on another tree just around the corner here. This is also a crabapple, and this is something that we don't really want to see. This is a very narrow branch angle, and this one should be the leader, the one in the middle here, because it's more straight up. But this one is almost competing with it. So I'm going to remove this, and a lot of people would have a real problem with that, but we're going to take it out. In the long run, it's better for the tree. Now when I make my cut, I want to be out in front of the branch bark ridge, which is right here, and the branch collar. I don't want to make a flush cut, so let's try to do this in a way that the tree will heal itself most effectively. So this is what this tree is looking like now, and it'll be fine. I didn't have to make very many cuts on this tree. So in the end, both of these trees took a little over a half hour to prune, and I was taking my time. So now we're going to progress up to something else. We're going to take a look at a weeping cherry in my next video.